This is the Wyze Cam version 4, which is one of the best budget security cameras you can find. With its 2.5K resolution, built-in spotlight, and enhanced two-way talk, it's easy to see why. But after trying it out for a while now, there are definitely some things I wish I knew before buying. So I'm going to tell you everything you'll need to know about the Wyze Cam version 4 and how it compares to other popular security cameras. Inside the box is the Wyze Cam version 4 itself. 6 feet of micro USB cable, a power adapter, the wall mounting kit, and a quick start guide. To set up the camera, download the Wyze app and press Add Device. With your camera plugged in, single press the setup button on the back of the camera and it will say Ready to Connect. In the app, tap Begin Setup and then select your Wi-Fi network. Once connected to Wi-Fi, you can mount it easily with the kit that's provided, either indoors or outdoors, or else use it placed on a table or shelf. When it comes to quality of view, ease of use, and overall reliability, I think the Wyze Cam version 4 is really good. It has 2.5K QHD resolution, which is a nice upgrade from the version 3's 1080p. The video gives a clear and detailed view of what's happening, and the version 4 has enhanced color night vision too. So even at night or in low light conditions, there is a really crisp and clear view. New with the version 4 is a motion-activated spotlight and a louder siren that really up the protection level at night. The Wyze Cam version 4 sends an alert to the connected phone when either motion or sound is detected. Plus, it provides recording to a micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes. No subscription required. With its updated built-in microphone and speaker, the Wyze Cam version 4 offers enhanced two-way audio to both hear and talk to anyone in camera view. It uses advanced auto-coding AAC and a more powerful amplifier, so the sound quality is very good. The two-way audio feature is handy to use for talking to people coming to the door to visit, or with the delivery, or even to scare away intruders. The Cam version 4 is IP65 weather, so no need to worry about rain when it's used outside. It can also be integrated with popular voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for easy voice control. The Wyze Cam version 4 is a terrific all-round home security camera that's versatile. It's easy to set up and sends real-time notifications when either motion or sound are detected. The view is clear and detailed 2.5K QHD, including enhanced color, and it has a spotlight and siren for added night protection. The two-way audio lets you talk and listen to those in camera view, and it integrates with popular voice assistants to operate hands-free.